the Arm & Hammer Cloud Control Clumping Cat Litter, and I wanted to show you how very little dust there is in this. No dust whatsoever. I am shaking the heck out of this, and we have no dust. So this is fantastic. My cat has very bad allergies, and this litter has helped completely eliminate the allergies for this little guy. And he no longer sneezes and no longer has a drippy nose. So this stuff is fantastic. Love that it doesn't have any cloud of dust whatsoever. It also doesn't have a lot of that artificial smell or anything else like that going on. It keeps the smell down. I don't smell any feces, any urine, and it does not track at all from what I can see. So, best litter for cats with allergies.